Good morning students, Saira. Welcome back to the computer session. So, we will continue with chapter number 2, working with Windows 7 part 2. And the last session we have studied what is operating system and what are the features of Windows 7, and in the desktop we have learned a recycle bin, how to delete the file and how to restore the file. In this session, we will learn Windows Explorer, how to open a Window Explorer and what is the use of Window Explorer. With the help of Window Explorer, how to view the files and folder, how to copy a file or folder, how to move a file and folder, and how to delete a folder. Here, can you see this icon? And the desktop icon, that this is known as computer icon. It gives you a view of available drives. You want to see, you want to check the drives in your computer. Click on a computer and double click on the drive icon and you can see the folders and files in your computer. Same thing, you can see one more icon that is known as application icon. So, application icon is used, you can see images give a quick access to the related application. So, these are the graphical images that gives quick access to the related application. Same thing, document icons. So, you can store all the documents, right? The active document window of an application can be minimized or you can maximize with the help of document icon. You can restore the document window clicking on the document icon. Then one more icon, so that is network icon. Network icon allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers. Okay. So, with the help of network icon, you can connect your PC to internet. Okay. Now, we will learn what is Windows Explorer. So, Window Explorer is a program that helps in viewing and organizing files and folders on your computer. So, Window Explorer is the file management application in Windows. Windows Explorer can be used to navigate hard drive and display the contents of the folders and subfolders you use to organize your files on your drive. So, Window Explorer is what? Window Explorer is a program that helps in viewing and organizing files and folders on a computer. Now, how to start a Window Explorer? So, you can start in a different ways. First of all, you click on a start button, select the all programs, select accessories and you can select the Windows Explorer, or you can see in your computer the logo on the bottom left corner of the screen, the Windows logo button, right, in the bottom left of the corner of the screen, and press that button and select computer option from the right pane, or you can select the start button and select computer option from the right pane. So, now can you see here the Window Explorer? The Window Explorer is divided into two parts. Okay, left hand side you can see navigation pane, displays, drives and folders, and the right side you can see that detail pane displays the files, the current folder. Can you see there? And some subfolders. Okay, and can you see here left side Okay, left side you can see drives and folder is also there. Okay, now we will open Window Explorer and we will learn what is folder and what is file. Okay, a file. What is file? A file is the basic unit of storage in Windows that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. Okay, but the folder is like a cabinet which you can store files. The folder holds not only hold files but they can also hold the folders. A folder within a folder is usually called a subfolder. So, a file is what? The basic unit of storage. So, when you are creating a file in your computer, you are storing information, right? Some information in that file. But folder is a totally different from file. The folder is like cabinet. In folder, you can collect a many files or you can save a many file. The folder is like a cabinet, okay, which you can store a many number of files. Okay, the file is the what? As a basic unit, a storage in Windows. That is like a one file, that is one page. The file means you can say one page. So, that is folder means the folder, okay, in folder you can save a different types of files. Now, we will open a Window Explorer and practically we will learn how to create a folder files. Okay, let us start now. Window Explorer, all programs, and you can see the computer. Click on the computer or in your desktop, in your keyboard, you can use a window symbol. Okay, can you see here? The window screen is divided into two parts, right? See there, right? One is left hand side navigation pane. Can you see my picture, my video navigation pane, and the second right side details pane. Can you see the folders? That is a right. You can see the color of the folders, yellow color. So that is a folders, and you can see the drives over there. Click on the computer. You can see C drive. Okay, in the My Documents, you can see all the here. In the right side, drives. Right, you can see the drives over there. Different drives, J, G, C. These are all drives, and can you see all the files? Okay, in the My Documents, you can see all the files. Can you see the difference between the folder and the files? The folder is totally different. See, right? It is only one color, that is yellow color. The files are totally different. The different applications files, right? Okay. So now how to copy a file or folder. Now in the My Computer, I will take a drive, one drive, okay, that is iDrive. Okay, now iDrive, click on the iDrive. Okay, can you see here the folder? Nothing is there. So now here we will create a one more folder. Go to the file, click on new and folder. Can you see there? There you have to give a folder name. So you are creating a new folder. So create a folder. Okay, right? Here I have given a desktop. The folder name is desktop. Okay, so I am creating folder, not file. So one more method, click on the right mouse button and select the new option and click on folder and give the folder name. Okay, so one more name we will give for the folder. That means we have created how many folders? Two folders. The one is desktop, okay, and the another one is, okay, now we will do one thing. We can rename it or you can delete and we can create a one more folder. Right click new and folder, right? Okay. So computer. So these are the two folder. We have created a two folder in where? In the iDrive. Okay. iDrive 2 folder. Now we will rename a folder. How to rename a folder? To rename a folder, right click, select it, right click, okay, and rename option is there. Click on the rename option from the shortcut menu and type the new name. I am giving here 5th B. Same thing, click it, right click and select rename and write the folder name. Give the new name to your folder. Now can you see here the two folders are there, 5th B and 5th C. We have created a two folder in which drive? iDrive. Okay. Can you see here the two folder? Okay. Now we will learn how to copy a file. So now can you select it and organize button is there. Click on the organize and copy and come to the desktop. I want to paste it here. Select the paste option. Can you see here? I have pasted the 5th. I have done copy paste. Okay. Here also the folder is there in the desktop. What I have done? Select it, right click. Now you can do organize and copy, or right click or copy. Minimize the screen, go to the desktop. Now here I want to copy and paste. Can you see here? 5th B and the 5th. I have copied. What I have done? I have copied the folder. Okay. You can see here. Yes, copy option. Okay. Now what I'll do here? I will take here again. I will take it and I will move the folder. So again I will select a folder from desktop. How will I select? Select, click it. Okay. If you do double click, it will open. So I will cut. Now I will move the folder from one place to another. So again I will click here and I will move. From there I will move here and paste. Now it is showing because already 5th B folder is there. So that's why it is asking. What it is asking? It is asking you want to merge the folder. So if it is yes, then this folder will merge to this previous folder, right? Okay, same thing now 5th C folder, right click and cut. I am giving a cut, moving the file. So cut option, I am selecting the cut option. So again I will go to the different drive now. Okay. So I will use in the desktop 5th standard 5th folder is there down. Okay. That folder I will use and I will select it and I will paste it. So this way you can cut, paste and copy, paste, or you can give a shortcut also. Okay. Control C and the Control V, right? Copy, paste. Okay. So now can you see here? Okay. So in this session you have learned how to copy, paste and how to rename the folder. So we will stop this session and the next class we will learn more commands. Sai Ram.